Belzona 3121 is here for your emergency roof repair needs. It can weatherproof and waterproof roof lights, gutters, splits in roofing felt, leaking joints, and other roof areas. It can be applied to a variety of roof materials, such as slate, tile, asphalt, felt, asbestos tiles, concrete, metal, glass, brick, and many more rigid roof substrates. Belzona 3121 is easy to apply, with no hot work involved, no primers or conditioners required, and only a brush needed for application. Belzona 3121 can be applied and will cure even in adverse weather at temperatures as low as 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. After application, Belzona 3121 will become water resistant immediately, even when fully submerged. The Belzona 3121 flexible repair system incorporates a reinforcement sheet that adapts easily to roof movements and contours. Belzona 3121 provides a strong, flexible, and waterproof bond for emergency roof repair. Learn more about Belzona 3121 at www.belzona.com.